Back to the FTSE today. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you not seen me before, my name is Langers and I am the coffee obsessed Scruffy trader. That's right, we all know Scruffy likes a coffee, and he does. Well, he does today anyway. Markets are pretty flat. There's not a great deal going on in the FX markets, and when that's happening, I kind of go back to the indices. Well, I look at the indices every day anyway, but today the best one is the FTSE. So let me pull the screen over and I'll show you. I worked out my strengths, etc. this morning. As you can see, all of the currency strengths are bunching together, which means it's not pulling anything out. The market's going to be relatively flat for me today. It may be the calm before the storm because the Fed's out later on tonight. Best of the bunch is the Aussie dollar, but even that's, it's not good. You know, it's just the best of a bad bunch. But the FTSE, the DAX, US 100, they'll always move every day. Now in this challenge, I'm restricted by margin. So the best of that bad bunch is the FTSE. But I trade the FTSE most days. So what is it and where am I going? Well, the FTSE is the UK 100. And I am going to be going long. Okay? And that's because this has worked it out. And it's telling me it's time to go. So, no shock there. You can see, nice candle bursting up. Is it ready? No, not yet. I want to see it come back on itself and then continue to the upside. That is my game plan today. I'm not going to go war and peace today. The Popeyes are being out destroying everything that I do again, and there's no way I'm going to show them how I do things. Scruffy Squad, you'll get to see everything that I do, and I'm open to any questions. So, as we can see, it is pushing. It's a little bit dangerous to try and jump into this just yet. It's a bit early in the morning for it. It's currently 10 to 8. I don't trade the opens. I just like to see what's going on, because this can easily shoot back and then scream up, and that'll put yourself at risk. Now if I go back to this sheet, you'll see the results. What I'm looking to achieve is 10 pips each day. So today, when we go into market, it's going up to 89p. There it is there. So that's the bid size. So I'm just increasing it ever so slightly, but it's moving the money up. And I think this is where the Popeyes are starting to get a bit arsey, because they want to see the big bucks. You know, I'm not a Lambo boy. I do this for pleasure, and I'm trying to show you the way in a sensible manner. You know, you want big fast money, go somewhere else. It's that simple, because it ain't happening. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play my trade out and off we go, because this is a live daily blog. No scripts, no glossy cameras, no wonderful microphones, because I am no Steven Spielberg. It's just a bobblehead and the screens. So let me do my trade.
We're waiting.
Okay guys, I'm back. It's time to start looking to put these orders in. The open bursts finished, etc. And I'm just keeping half an eye on it. So what I'll do is I'll just let it play out, and I'll see you at the end. Hey guys, I'm going to head off down to the office. It's fine. It's pushed down a bit further than I would like, but that's the charts. You can't sort of force your will on it. But as long as it stays between the zones, it's not quite near the stop yet, so still a little bit of room to play with. And we'll see how it ends up.
We're waiting.
Okay guys, at the office, let's have a little look and see what's going on. Well, shockity, shockity, shock, shock. It's come into target. Result. And how do I know that? Because there's nothing on the screen. And let's have a little look. There you go, £8.90. So the analysis was correct. And the job is done. Now what I will say, just looking at this screen before I fill the chart in, is if you get the direction right, it forgives a bad entry. Case in point, this candle here took me in a little bit early, but it's just one of those things. Nothing to worry about. But as long as it stayed within the zone section that I marked out, I was happy for it to continue. So, like I said, there you go, 890. So let's have a little look at this sheet. Been doing a few workings out for the guys. As you can see, it is flat. Because even the best of the bunch today, which is the Aussie dollar, because the dollar is strong and the Aussie is reasonably weak, they are bunched together. My equation is telling me don't bother with it. So again, it's backing up what this is saying. It's a flat market. But the FTSE's done its job and given me some more money. So we're increasing again. So today, yes, it was the 1 hour. I'm not in a particularly good mood today. Waking up to being told to have a heart attack while somebody's doing something naughty to Winky normally doesn't put you in the best of moods. Now, having a heart attack while I'm doing something with Winky probably would, because what a way to go. The only problem is if I pay knocky 9 doors at my age, it is the running that will give me the heart attack, running away from the old fella you bring on the door with. Sorry, and you lot thought I was thinking about something else.
You're sitting there, imagining that, with a big smile on your face. You dirty fecker.
You're right, I was.
You dirty old man.
And it was a continue. Sorry. It was a continued move. But it kind of shows how your psyche can mess with you as well. I like to think most of the time I'm quite a chilled guy, and for the most part I am. But your emotional impact on the markets can be quite a lot. And that's something you have to learn to live with. Because if you're having a bad mood with your life, that's one thing. But if you have a bad mood because of the charts, that's something else, because you lash out at the chart. At the moment, I'll just lash out at the idiot that's having a go. The charts have done me no harm. But if I was doing it at the charts, you'd revenge trade, or you'd jump in where angels will fear to tread to get something back that it's took from you. And that's something that'll always end badly. And that's one of the kind of lessons I'm trying to learn in this exercise. You know, less is more. And take your money, be grateful, get out, do it again tomorrow. And as you can see, it's edging up nicely. And we're not that far in. We've grown just shy of 16%. Oh, excuse me. Grown just shy of 16% on the account. So I'm pretty good. Tell me a bank that would do that for 300 quid. Not many. In fact, there ain't one. So there we go. I'll keep continuing this. I'll keep them quite short and punchy. And by all means, if you've got any questions, drop a comment below or contact me. Loads of contact details in the description. And there's a few helpful links there as well. Because if you're looking for a good broker or you're looking for a way to find strength, all that sort of stuff, there's plenty of links down there. So trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.